Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to watch on Disney Plus on your phone. So first of all, and of course, if you don't have the Disney Plus on your phone, you'll need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So once you actually do that or did that, just go and open the Disney Plus application. So let's just wait until it loads correctly. And as you can see, this will be actually your home or your main screen. So from here, just go and click at the continue button. And of course, if you already have an account, you can log in into your account. None of that above. So of course, if you already have an account, you can just go and log in into your account. So of course, if you enter a phone number that's already used an account, you will log in directly. If you enter a new code or new number, you will start signing up or creating your account directly. So let me just enter my phone number and I'm coming back. So here we are. I just enter my phone number and they're telling me to enter a code that they send me to my phone number. So let me just enter that code. Here is it. This, and this, and click add this flash. And as you can see, now I'll be able to choose my profile. Of course, I can even add a new one. So let me just first of all remove the thing that I add to hide my number. Here is it. Let me just remove it. So as you can see now, I'll be able to choose my profile. And let me just choose, of course, what I have. I can even add a new profile. Of course, you have even for uh, profiles you'll be able to add. So of course, as you can see here, this you will find all of this to watch. You can watch all of this. Of course, if you want to search, you can just go and click at the search option and search for whatever you want here by name, or you can just watch from here if you are subscribed to one of their plans. So of course they have the monthly and the yearly plan. Subscribe to one of them and you will be able to start watching. So simply, if you want to start watching on the Disney Plus, simply just go and click at watch now, whatever you want to start, and it will actually or you will be actually to start watching. Choose whatever audio you want or whatever uh, like subtitles you want, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.